Hey y'all, so in this video I'm going to show you how I achieve this hair color. Okay, so the hairs that I used in this video was sent to me from Tinashe Hair. So it is an AliExpress company if I'm not mistaken. They sent me this lace wig, a 22-inch lace wig. I believe this could be a loose deep wave, I believe. I'll put that information down below. But they were kind enough to send me this wig. So I said, hey, why not try some fall hair colors? I've really been trying to do a lot of fall hair colors. I'm not the best at coloring, so I figured this would be the perfect time to try to perfect my coloring. So yes, I'm just showing you what the wig looked like. It's already pre-plucked, which I appreciate because I don't like plucking, so I'm happy that it's pre-plucked. So before I get started, I go ahead and pretty much comb out the hair. You want the hair to be nice and combed out because it's just going to make everything 1,000 times easier. Now, in order to get this hair color, we will have to use bleach. So I like to use BW2, and today I'm going to use 20 volume developer because I don't want the hair to bleach really fast. So what I do, I just pretty much mix them together. I pretty much was experimenting with this hair color. This is the first time I've done this color, so I really can't tell you how many scoops. I cannot tell you how much, powder and how much volume developer I used. I pretty much just eyeballed and estimate everything. So I pretty much mix that together, and then once I'm done mixing it together, I pretty much just dip the hair right into the bowl, and I'm going to show you guys that shortly. So as I mentioned, I'm going to put the hair directly into the bowl. So I started by putting the ends of the hair in a bowl, and I'm pretty much just taking my hands and rubbing the bleach through the hair. And then also I'm going to use my wide tooth comb and detangle the hair just to make sure the bleach is really getting through. Now I will say this, I tried to take the fast way out when it came to bleaching hair because I didn't want to have to bleach this wig on my mannequin and take it row by row and use aluminum foil and all of that stuff. I was just like, oh no, if I just mix it all in this bowl and just dip this wig in a bowl, I can be over and done with this. But y'all, when you mix all of that bleach and developer together, the aroma, like the fumes of it, is enough to knock you out. So I had to take a step away. I did find a face mask, and even with the face mask I used, it wasn't enough to hold back the fumes. So definitely be extremely careful. Make sure you're in a ventilated area, so open up a window or something and wear a really nice face mask, because I had to step away multiple times, okay? But anyways, so I just continue to dip it into the bowl and just really use my hands to work it through. So definitely make sure you're wearing your gloves as well. And just working that comb through, detangling, and really working that bleach through. And then once I was done, I just rinsed the bleach out. And then once I rinsed the bleach out, it's pretty much time for the second half of the coloring. So I let the hair sit for about 10 minutes and then I proceeded to wash the bleach out the hair. Didn't use any shampoo or anything. When rinsing the bleach out, I just simply put it over under water and rinsed all the bleach out. So this is what I turned pretty much what I turned out with. The hair did get nice and brown, the color that I was going for. I will say I wish I got it a shade or two lighter, but this will do. So the next step of the process is to do the watercolor method. I am so in love with the watercolor method. So I already poured some hot water into my bin, and then the color that I'm going to use today is Paprika. So it's the color Paprika by Kiss Temptation. I really love Kiss colors. Yeah, I just really love it. It's very pigmented, and on top of that, it does not bleed. It really does not bleed, or I never have issues with the color bleeding, so I really love the color. So I poured a few drops into the hot water, and then I'm going to mix it in and pretty much just dip the hair into it. Typically, once you dip the hair into it, the hair will pick up on the color. So I dipped the hair into it a couple times. I did end up adding in more dye, which you guys will see shortly, because I wanted the hair to be a tad bit more pigmented. I don't know why I can't talk today. I wanted the hair to really pick up that color, that paprika color. And that is when I realized, okay, maybe I should have left the bleach on the hair a little longer. That way it would pick up the color a bit better. But it still picked up the color. So because I wanted that red undertone of the paprika to really pop, I decided to have a little help. So I used some of this Adore Intense Red that I found lying around the house, and I added in a few drops just so it can really, that red color can really pop. I feel like that pretty much helped out with this color because I didn't lighten the hair. I didn't get the hair light enough when I bleached the hair, so I feel like adding the Adore Intense Red really helped the color I wanted to come through. Now I will say I don't recommend Adore hair colors because they do bleed. I mean, they bleed. Like, once you put it underwater, like, the color is going to bleed and bleed and bleed and just never stop. So I don't recommend Adore. As a matter of fact, I did get some Adore. I did get some of that dye on the lace. And if you ever get dye on your lace, in order to fix that, you just go to the faucet or wherever you're rinsing out your hair and apply hot water directly to the lace to get that red color or the hair dye out of the lace. Because that is exactly what I had to do, because this lace was red, honey, okay? So after I rinsed out the lace, I let it air dry. This is the next day, and this is pretty much the results of the hair. So the color is definitely the color that I was going from. I'm definitely happy with these results. And pretty much what you're going to watch me do is just style the hair. I'm styling this wig the same way I would style the wigs that I make myself. As you guys know, I do like to make my own wigs. I make custom wigs. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and style the hair the way I normally style it, add some curls to it, and yeah, so that is pretty much this entire tutorial. If you guys love this hair color, please drop a heart below. Let me know if you guys love this hair color. I really love the fall season because fall is just so many different shades that you could try in fall, and I don't know, I really love fall hair colors. So if you guys love fall hair colors as well, let me know what's your favorite fall hair color, okay? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I do plan to do more hair color tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that good stuff, and until next time.